I wasn't supposed to have kids. And when I did have a kid, everybody told me to get an abortion because my child was supposed to get to feel like me. He was going to go through witchcraft. He was going to go through homosexuality. Yes, I was married to a woman. Praise God. My husband is sitting right here. And praise be to God, Lord, that my son knew nothing like me. No attitude, the well-best behaved honor roll student. He's a worshiper. He's a liar. No PTSD, no counseling, no trauma, no nightmare. And I ran over last year 2 days before my birthday. My arm burned underneath the muffler. I was actually outside crazy at 10. A car came by and ran me over. My arm got caught underneath the muffler. 3rd-degree burn. They took skin from here up here, and I crushed all 12 of my ribs up, permanent metal plating over here. So when you guys are looking at me and you ever, young people, and you feel like you have no reason to worship God